is small, guys, so I'm outside 8 o'clock in the morning doing football, which is my number one thing. So let's go. Eight. Let's triple around. Yes! That's what we like to see. I have been kicking the ball off this crazy catch right here and volleying it into the goal. And as you can see, I have actually got a new goal. So I've got 2 goals now to play a match against my dad, who is absolutely rubbish at football. So, excuse me, you are rubbish. Yes, guys, he is rubbish, I swear. So yeah, today we have just been basically kicking the ball off this crazy catch couple of times and then doing some kicky uppies and volley into the goal. So I'll basically explain it now and telling you what I've been doing. So this is a crazy catch right here, and so when you kick a ball against it, it comes back to you, the same with that rebound goal right there. That's the same thing, but it just doesn't bounce as much back to you. Like this is net, that's net, but this net is a lot stronger, so it bounces back to you a lot easier. So yeah, what have I been doing? I have been just doing this, kicking the ball off the crazy catch. How hard do you need to kick the ball? Like, you know how you do a pass in games, like this? About that hard, so the ball is going over there, doesn't want to go that far, it doesn't want to go not powerful, it just wants to be a medium pace for it to bounce off. And you also need a tiny bit of height as well to kick it off, because as you can see, if I just do this, it just does that. Where do you stand? So you stand about, say, a metre, so probably about an arm length to the crazy catch. And what part of your foot do you kick it with? So I tend to kick it with this part of my foot, so the side part. Okay, so as you can see, I'm kicking it with my side. But if you want to, which is actually a tiny bit easier to do it with this part of your foot. Okay, guys? So never kick it with your toes, never kick it with your heel. Just basically kick it with this part or this part, okay? So to start with, you do about, I would say, do one, then do 2, then do 3, and then do 4, then do 5. And today I managed to do 13, which is hard, but you shouldn't start more than 2 to start with. So 2 or less you start with. And actually, the main thing with this skill is your eyes and focus, because you can't do this without focusing. I am not looking anywhere around this garden apart from the ball and the crazy catch. So where am I looking now? Okay, I'm looking at the ball. When the ball comes back to you, I'm looking at the ball. When the ball goes to the crazy catch, I look at the crazy catch. Okay? So look, ball, crazy catch. And I didn't do many there, but I was still just looking at the ball and the crazy catch the whole entire time. Let's go. 2, 3. Don't think I'm going to do this first try. Guys! Oh my God! Nearly dropped me, Suri! Come on, baby! Let's go! 12 now, just on 11, on to 12. Can't believe I've actually got to this stage. That was first try. Guys! No! Guys, it was 12! It was 12! That's it. Nice. Do not start doing kicky uppies. Come on. As you see, accidentally slipped on that patch, but that's not going to stop me from scoring like Ronaldo. Come on. 9. I did 9 that time, guys. Oh, comment down below how much I'll do. I've got a feeling I'll do about, say at least 11. Say at least 11. Not sure. Hi. Try again. Oh god, that was terrible. I don't know why it's not 9, because that's how old I am. 6, 7, 10. 10, guys! Getting close to the goal! Ronaldo! Let's go, guys, let's go! 10! Oh! Oh! Yes, guys! As that was 4 kicking uppies and 6 of those. I'm quite glad with that, guys, but that's just the start. We're getting to the point where this is now tough, but we're moving it back. Only a bit by bit, guys. You know that. 7 now. It's going to be difficult, but try my best. It's the main thing. Oh, moved a bit of a better angle now, so you can probably see. Guys, we're officially on 8, and we're moving it back. I'm going to move this thing back a bit and see how we get on, guys. I'm a bit confident but a bit nervous. I did that 7 really quickly and the 6, so the 8 it's getting to the point where it's getting really hard, so let's go. And then getting to the point where it's going to be 10. It's going to be difficult, guys, but let's see how we get on. 12 that we're going to change the crazy catch around. Guys, it's time for the final one, and for this one we're going to move it back extra, and also we're going to move it around, and this is the final one. If you don't know, final one I'll be doing the 13th, hopefully lucky one. Oh guys, I'm nervous, but it's going to be really hard, so let's give it a go, see how it goes. Guys, this is going to take me, I'm saying 50 tries for this. Comment down below what you think, guys. I'm really interested. As you can see, look at that. Just look at the difference between the red side, so that side over there, and this side here. It just changes it. It just points it down. See, it just points it down completely. It gets a lot more power. This is hard. This is really hard. No! It was 13, guys! Otherwise it just can't work. Your focus just changes. 13! Oh, yes! Go up, go up, go up! Come on! Did you see that? You see that? Oh! It's a beauty! Oh! Guys! I said 50 tries on that. I was not expecting it to be like, oh, about 10. Oh! Finished! Oh! Guys, it's freezing. My hands are just shaking to death right now, honestly. That was probably one of the most difficult challenges yet. I hope you liked the video, guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'm going to do a lot more recent videos for you guys to watch, and I'm really sorry I haven't done one for the last 2 months. I was just really busy on the Christmas holidays. So guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Stop spinning the camera around and super good.